the open syllable? In other words, which syllable has only one consonant and one vowel?
Da.
Well done, da. There are only two types of syllables, open and closed. Open syllables end with a vowel, and closed syllables end with a consonant. So again, we have the word davar. Which syllable is closed, Maria? In other words, which syllable ends with a consonant?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Peter, do you have an idea? Right.
Dek.
Bar.
Var. Well done. The last one. Why did you think the last one, Maria?
Because I don't see a vowel with it.
With the resh, with the last consonant.
Yeah.
That's a very good observation, and that's a very good method for the analysis. If you don't see a vowel together with your consonant, you know that you're looking at the second of two consonants in a closed syllable. Well done, Maria. Very well done. Keeping this in mind, let's have some fun. Joseph, have you joined us? I thought I heard Joseph's voice there. Welcome, Joseph.
Thank you.
Nice to have you.
Thank you.
I've got some momentum going with an exercise to reinforce open and closed syllables. So let's hold off on the conversation exercise for a few minutes, so we don't necessarily have to record quite yet. We're going to take this idea of open and closed syllables, and we're going to use our alphabet to create two-syllable words, basically, to create two-syllable words. The first syllable will be open and the second syllable will be closed. Joseph, could you mute your audio for just a little bit, kindly?
Yes.
Okay. The way we'll work this is we'll take the aleph, Peter. We'll start our words with aleph, and we'll add the kamats. So in all cases, our first syllable will be open, ah. Together, everyone, ah. Then our second syllable will start with bet. And we'll close like this. We'll go we'll go bab, bav, bog, bod. Try that, Maria. Make the first consonant bet, and then the second consonant continue through the alphabet. Bob.
I don't understand.
Just repeat after me. Bob.
Bob.
Nikupigie story. Mimi niko na wanawake 46. Wake zako. Hapo pazuri hapo.
Continue.
Dalit.
We're making syllables. We're starting with bet, and then we're adding a letter. So we go bet plus vet, bet plus gimel, and so on. You see? Bav.
Bod.
Bog. Continue.
Bod.
Continue.
Ba.
Bad. We're going to add the dalet now.
Bod.
Now we're going to add the hey.
Ba.
Now we're going to add the vav.
Vav.
The zayin.
Vaz.
Good.
Ah.
Nice.
At.
Nice.
Ah.
Well, it's kind of hard with that yud. I don't know what to do with that one. How about B?
B.
Now with a kaf.
Bak.
Well done.
Bak.
Let me hear that chaf, bach.
Bach.
There you go. Hold on a second. Somebody's joining us. Welcome, Emmanuel Bett. Nice to have you with us. You're very welcome. It's great to have you with us. Nice work, Maria. That's the idea. Now, Peter, here's the challenge. We're going to start with an open syllable, and then we'll create the closed syllables just as Maria did. So here's what it sounds like. Bob. Together, Peter, Bob.
Bob.
So we have an open and then a closed syllable. Bob. Next, Bob.
Bob.
Bog.
You're not showing
Bag.
us.
Continue.
Bad.
Nice.
Bah.
Good.
Above.
Nice.
Abbas.
Nice.
Abba.
Very nice.
Abat.
Good. We can make it a B. B.
Abi.
Good.
Abba.
That's
Sorry.
the cough.
Uh,
I'm sorry,
uh,
Joseph. One moment. I'm sorry, Peter. Joseph, yes, sir.
I'm not seeing the ABBA. Yes.
We're sharing the alphabet table,
Yes.
and you're not seeing it.
I'm seeing the alphabet table, but not the ABBA. Yes.
That's because we're creating them in our minds.
Oh,
Yeah. Continue, Peter.
Abak.
Abach, well done.
No, I was using the first
Oh, the chaf.
consonant. Ka. Ka.
Oh, okay. Abach.
Abak. Then Abba.
Nice.
Abba.
Well done. Abach again.
Abba.
Very nice.
Abam.
Nice.
Abam.
Continue.
Aban.
Good.
Aban.
Nice.
Abbas.
Abbas.
ABBA.
Abba. It's
Abba.
okay.
Abba.
Good. Continue.
Abab.
Abap.
Abab.
Continue.
Abba.
Abaf.
Abba.
Okay.
Abat.
Together, all abats.
Abat.
ABBAs.
And nice. And let me hear you also kindly, Emmanuel. It's great to have you together with the Tzadi Sofit again. Abats.
Abat.
Now we're on to the Kuf.
Abak.
Well done. And Emmanuel, are you with us on this exercise? Do you see what we're doing, brother?
Yes, I am in.
So we're on the resh, and we're going to start with the open syllable and then close with beit resh. Can you form that for us kindly?